Hey guys, this is my channel Peasant Tech, and if you didn't guess already, my channel's mostly gonna be about technology for people who aren't as rich. I've been seeing a lot of tech channels, Marques Brownlee, all the big names. They're always trying out all the most expensive phones, most expensive headphones, but some people can't afford that, and I decided to make this channel for people who wanted to get the most bang for their buck. So here are my JBL headphones. They're really good, I really like them. I'm going to be showing you the unboxing and then I'll be testing them out, showing you what's good about them, maybe some stuff that aren't as good. So it says here it has 16 hours of battery, and for every 5 minutes you charge it, it lasts an hour. So the main reason I recommend them is because they're cheap, 59 NZD, about 40 USD, and they're also extremely convenient, and they're comfortable, and they're amazing headphones. They're also tough and reliable and very light as well. They also have great battery life and they charge extremely fast, which is useful. So you have the headphones, the chargers, and basic manuals. Nothing too flashy. So it folds inwards, which makes it easy to carry around, and it's quite helpful. It has a power button, a up volume and down volume button, and the center button, which does basically everything. So it has all the basic stuff, but the main important stuff that are important, it has Bluetooth, and you can use Siri, Google Now, voice assistants. You can switch between two devices so that you can pair two at the same time. You can take calls, skip backward and forward, and yeah, you can do most stuff. Yeah, so in the future I might do a bit of gaming, trying things out, playing new games. I might play some COD, Minecraft, pretty common games, Among Us, and maybe Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, Boom Beaches, Brawl Stars. You can also recommend what games you want me to try out, anything new, if you want me to show you anything, any challenges. So I guess that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. See ya!